Okay, but anyway, coming back to this. So over the years, I've gotten different answers from students. They were saying that, oh, because this 2 was multiplied by 2 to give me 4, so all the 2's here, every single number here must be multiplied by 2. So in the end, what they gave me was 2 cosine square minus 2.
Okay.
It's not true, because you're only making changes to the angle itself. So when you make changes to this angle, only this angle will change. The rest of the other constants should remain constant. You understand what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you were right on that. So right now, if I have cosine square 4x, okay, over here, right? So if I have cosine square 4x, how am I going to manipulate this?
It'll be...
You know that cosine square x is equals to this. So what about cosine square 4x? So how will the angle change on the right hand side?
Cosine 2 times 4, 8x, cos 8x.
You got it, man. You don't need math tuition anymore.
I do. I get it now, but I don't. I can tell you, I wouldn't be able to see in the exam.
You will be after a few tries. It's like you will never get your name wrong, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you have been writing it for so many years.
Yeah, but I forgot how to write my Chinese name. Like,
because you haven't been writing your Chinese name. Am I right?
No, I still remember it now.
Oh.
After I went for Chinese lesson.
You went for Chinese lessons?
No, like, I had Chinese lessons in school.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So, can you show me D? For D. If you can show me that, if you can show me a perfect one, then we'll move on to something else.
For D. Oh, okay, wait, but what about the half in front? Hello?
Half in front.
Yeah.
You just take it out. You just take it out. Because it's a constant, right?
So you take out the constant first?
Yes.
And then you... Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so
you can try, you can try. If you're not confident, you can try and show me.
Okay, so E is... Like, when you integrate half cos squared.
Okay, yeah, you took out the half already, then you can carry on from here.
Okay. And you just let y be ax, and then you just do it. Right?
Yes, but wait. Cosine square 4x equals to what?
What do you mean? Like,
look at the equation.
Cos squared 4x half Oh, you do. It's two. No.
You understand what I'm trying to say? You're supposed to substitute. Oh man. You're supposed to substitute cosine square 4x. Sorry, you
Face
forgot your dx.
Yeah,
With
face.
cosine, sorry, with half plus half cosine 8x. Because of this.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Get it?
Yeah.
Don't forget your dx, please. Yeah, so from here you got to split and integrate.
Okay. Yeah, I got this part. So should I do it or?
Don't have to. You know how to do it, right? If you know how to do it, let's not waste time on that.
Okay.
Yeah, show me D. Okay. You got to integrate it separately. Like, I wouldn't want to do it in one line. Means I will have brought out the integrate sine square 3x and integrate it somewhere else. Get what I mean? I'll be showing a different set of workings.
So when you split it, sine.
Yeah.
This is right.
Half sine square 3x. Yes. Yes. So I believe from here you know what to do. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's move on. We can do something new.
No, but what if it's okay? So if it's like if the the previous question, like the question that you did, there was one that was like 1 minus cos. I think it's x something here, then it's squared. So you expand it first.
Yes, you have to expand it first. You know how to expand it?
Yeah.
How?
Wait. What was the question?
1 plus cosine x square. Give me right here. Yeah. Yeah, correct. How do you expand
So
it?
right? Cosine squared. Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
Now we are moving on to a new chapter. It's called definite integrals. Basically, it's still integration. It's just that now we have limits. Okay. Now we have limits. Okay, let me show you an example first. So previously we didn't have stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
We didn't have it. So what does this actually mean? Okay, so let's say for instance, if I have integrate x squared dx from 0 to 4, for instance. Okay, when I want to find, when I integrate, right, what am I trying to find actually? Okay, when I integrate, I'm trying to find the area under the graph y equals to x squared from x equals to 0 to x equals to 4. Okay, understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I were to illustrate on the graph, sorry, it's a very bad drawing. Yes. Okay, so here is 0, right? And
Yeah.
here is 4. Okay, so basically the area that they want is this portion. The area under the graph.
Yeah.
Okay, so this means this. Okay, I hope all is clear.
Yeah.
Can. But how are we going to evaluate the answer? Okay, so I'm going to show you. So this will be equals to, same thing, you got to integrate it like how you will integrate it. You know that the x squared, how do you integrate it? It will be x to the power of?
X to the power 3 over 3.
Over 3, okay? So you do not write plus c now, because previously when we write plus c, it's because we didn't have limits. We did not know the range of x that we want to find. We didn't know the area will span from which x values to which x value, right? But now we know the x value will span from 0 to 4. Means that's the area under the graph that we want to find. So right now we are not going to write plus c. We're going to add in. I'm going to make this special. I'm going to add in the square brackets. Okay, always use square brackets here. Not sure if you still remember. You learn this in school?
Yeah.
Yeah, you will use square brackets. Never use round brackets. In integration, for definite integrals, we always use square brackets, and you'll be from 0 to 4. Okay, so what does this mean?
Yeah.
Okay, means that the step one is to substitute in x equals to 4. So you have x cubed over 3.
And
okay?
you minus?
Minus, yes. You're going to minus, substitute in the 0, the lower limit, over 3. Then from here, you will get your answer. Okay? So from here, when you get your answer, let's say your answer is just 4 over 3, right? 4 to the power of 3 over 3. Yeah. Because now, in the event of definite integrals, you have upper and lower limit, you are finding an area already. This is definite that you are finding an area. And area comes with a unit. And the unit is units square.
Yeah.
Cool? Okay?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. With that said, can you just show me this one? Very quick one.
I know, shit.
Yesterday was 386 cases, man.
Yeah, there's like 3,000 cases, more than 3,000 cases overall.
Overall,
No.
right? It's not like, no, it's in like, there are some that
But
are already discharged, what?
No, but there's only like 500 over their discharge.
Really? Current cases in Singapore?
There's gonna be like 300 cases every day, more than 300 cases every day.
Maybe today will be less than 100.
No, impossible.
No, active cases only 1,300.
No,
Yeah, I'm on the page right now.
really.
Yeah, let me send you. It's only 1,003. So I can go out for a run.
Jeez.
Why? It's cool, man.
Okay. What? Oh my god! Why is my pencil not working? Is it like this?
Yeah. No.
Why?
No, okay. Hold on now. You see, you always deal with everything that is inside the bracket first. Like, deal with this thing first. Do not include the -1. The -1 is still outside, you know. Yeah. Just leave the
Okay.
-1 on the outside. Don't bring it in, you know. This is an infected case. This is in quarantine. It's always safer to deal with what's on the inside.
Then what about the -1? Just leave it outside.
Leave it outside first. Means when you present it, right, it will be minus, bracket the whole thing. Then you have something minus something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You have to leave the -1 on the outside. Yeah.
But then I'll just use a calculator. Why would I?
Yes, you can. But what if it's a non-GDC paper?
True.
Mm.
Okay.
You forgot that you have 2 papers.
Oh shit.
Hey, Kylie, you're in a very fortunate position really. Yesterday, I was going through with my SL student who is taking the new syllabus. It is super tough, I tell you. There are binomial expansion.
No, I don't want to know.
Okay.
Basically,
Okay.
it's difficult. I know.
It is super difficult. It's like, when I look at it, right, I have to think for 5 minutes.
I just wish that I actually did something for the past 2 years of my IB life. I wouldn't actually have to take the exam in November. But I just feel so sad for myself. God is punishing me for not doing shit all for 2 years, and now he decided to extend my pain for another 6 months.
That's why I always say that you are the result of all the decisions that you have made thus far.
Oh my God, Jesus.
I wish we had started earlier, really. So at least I could help you with your IA.
I know, like the IA is a plane crash.
I think it's not a plane crash. It is COVID.
I did it on possibility. I did it on probability. And
you should do modeling. Modeling always scores higher.
And it was diseases. No, I'm not even joking. And do you know the antibody test that they're doing now?
Yeah.
Like, that was literally my IA. My IA was on that. Yeah, so I predicted the future.
Yes, you did. You did. And they are going to penalize you for predicting such a future.
Oh my God. I got 9 out of 20.
It's all your fault.
How? I didn't think it was that bad. I didn't think my IA was that bad. I think it was quite good.
That's what everyone thinks about themselves.
But that 9 out of 20 was marked by my teacher. So now all the IAs are going to be marked by the IB. They might give me a high score.
It's true. It's true.
Or they might give me a lower score.
It's also true because of what is happening right now.
No, but like me predicting the future, maybe they'll be like, oh, this girl's actually...
Like, they'll be like, why is this girl such a bad mouth?
Nah. It's like, oh my god, this girl's like godlike.
Godlike, I see. Satan in disguise.
I know.
Okay.
It was just my math IA, chemistry IA.
What, sorry?
It was just my math and chemistry IA. It was bad.
Oh. Okay. Do you have to redo it?
You can't. You're not allowed to. My teacher's like, you're not. I was like, sir, can you give me a second chance to like improve my IA? Yeah, I don't need any guidance from the school. Like blah 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 blah. I literally called him to ask him, and he's like, no, that we consider cheating. And then he gave me a lecture on it. I'm like, okay, cool. Just shut up. And just shut up. Seriously.
Wow. Okay.
He's like, I can't forgo the principles of the IB of being an IB coordinator just because you're my tutee, blah blah blah. You can't let you redo it just because you're my student and shit like that. I'm like, okay.
You should have passed him like maybe $100 under.
No, I gave him chocolate for Christmas.
You really did?
Yeah, of course I gave him chocolate for Christmas because last time basically I was the only student in the whole year. Okay, me and this guy, and then we were the only two students who got to like set our own deadlines.
Who got what?
Who got to set our own deadlines.
What deadlines?
Like my like EETOK IA deadlines.
Okay.
Because I didn't meet any of them. And then I was allowed to set my own deadlines to finish it.
Okay.
So it's like, yeah.
So you gave him chocolate?
Yeah.
To bribe him?
No, I didn't bribe him. I was asking him.
It's still somewhat like a bribe.
Nah, it's not a bribe.
Like, hey, you know, since you are giving me some leeway, I'm gonna give you some chocolate away.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you show me 5D? D for donkey. Yo.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Don't need to think. Just integrate cosine x first.
Isn't it just sin x?
Yeah, exactly.
But then how do I
Same thing, square bracket.
Then I need a calculator.
You don't need. Remember the table that I taught you? Here we go again.
Oh, the sine x. You sub in. Okay. So you get this. I forgot the table.
Yeah, do you know the table?
I forgot.
Okay. So I always tell my students this. The only way to remember is to not forget.
Cool.
It is really very helpful. Just remember that. If you cannot remember that, you just try to not forget.
Sine 0 is 1.
So we have sine, cosine, tangent. Please do not forget again. Since this is recorded, right? You can come back and review this. 0, 30, sorry. 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. Why did I align it to the left? Because I want to show you that 30 degrees means is pi over 6. 45 degrees means is pi over 4. 60 degrees means is pi over 3. 90 degrees means is pi over 2. So sine 0 degrees will give you square root 0 over 2. Sine 30 degrees, square root 1 over 2, square root 2 over 2, square root 3 over 2. Can you see the pattern? And sorry. And this is square root 4 over 2. So cosine 0 degrees is the other way around. So you get square root 4 over 2, square root 3 over 2, square root 2 over 2, square root 1 over 2, square root 0 over 2. So for tangent, it's just division. Just use sine 0 divided by cosine 0. In this case, you will get 0. This will get you 1 over square root 3. This will get you 1. This will get you square root 3. And this will be NA. So over here, all this work just to find what is sine pi over 6. What is pi over 6? Which
It's sine 30, so it's half.
Yes.
So half minus is 0.
Yes. Which is?
Half.
Half. Can you conclude it? Is there a final answer? Wow, I was about to give you a big fat cross, man. Okay, can you show me one last one? Oh, sorry. Not this.
Just give me I.
Oh, you want I?
Yeah, because there's an E there, and I don't know how to do that.
Sure. Let me erase it for you. Okay, please remember this table, okay? Because as you can see, it took a lot of effort to draw it.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, I mean, I don't mind drawing it for you. It's free, but it's still effort.
No, don't erase it. Don't.
Oh, okay. Sure. I'll leave it there, all right? How about I erase this?
It's a nice photo.
Yeah, it is. The sounds are pretty good, actually.
It makes me kind of depressed.
What?
It makes me depressed.
Why? That guy's is really catchy.
No, but like the other songs.
Oh, the other songs, yes. Yes.
Do you watch TikTok? Like
Of
TikTok?
course. Of course. Of course. Why? Do you have any
No,
good recommendations?
No, I just watched the page, the For You page.
Oh. There's one that is damn scary, you know. It's about this guy doing parkour. Then he's on TikTok, but he's like jumping from, I can show you. Oh my god.
Buildings to buildings, yeah.
Yeah, do you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's carry on from here. Okay, so you don't have to you always deal with the limits at the last part, okay? The 2 and the 1, you don't have to deal with it first. You need to deal with it at the last part after you have fully integrated it. So over here, you see a square, right?
To expand it.
Yes, you have to expand it, you're right.
But when I times two e's together, I don't know how to do that.
You know.
I don't.
You do. Like, for instance, if I have 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x, what do I get? I'll get 2 to the power of x plus x, which should get me 2 to the power of 2x. Right? If I have 2 to the power of 5x times 2 to the power of minus 3x, what do I get? I'll get 2 to the power of 5x plus minus 3x.
So I just add the powers together.
Yes, exactly. When you have similar bases. Yes, okay. So from here, you're going to integrate, right?
I just split it into 3.
Sure.
I do that.
Yeah. So can I erase the table?
Yeah.
If not, you won't have space to do it.
How do I integrate 2e to the minus 2x?
E to the power minus 2x. E to the power of minus 2x. How do you think you should integrate it? You must let minus 2x be y. Understand?
But when you integrate e to the y, it's just e to the y.
You integrate e to the power of y is e to the power of y. Yes, it is.
But what if it's like e to the 2y? So it's 2, it will become 2e to the y. No, 2e to the 2y.
2e to the 2y.
If it's e to 2y.
E to the power of 2y. It cannot be e to the power of 2y. It's not possible. Because you'll be replacing it. If you have 2y means something is wrong.
Yeah, okay. But I need a calculator to do this.
Don't have to. You just leave it in exact form. Means you just put it as e to the power of 2.
But it's e to the power of 2 minus e to the power of 1.
Yep, correct. Yep, correct.
Like this?
Yes.
Then the other one is just, I get it, like it's you let oh, but I can't.
You have to do it again. You have to do it again.
For the middle one.
Yes.
for this.
Yes, you got to do it again.
Yeah, I know, but like, what do I let y be? Let y be 2e to the minus x?
Yes. No, let y be minus x. Because let y be minus x.
Can I erase this? Can I erase this part first so I can do the middle one?
Yeah. Actually, you can do it on a paper first, then you send me. Because there's not enough space on the screen anyways.
I have a problem. I don't have paper. I don't have paper with me.
You don't have paper with you.
Yeah.
How is that possible?
It's not here. It's like downstairs.
Oh, okay. Actually, I could have just done this. Then you have more space.
Great. So like, this is right. The second one.
Yes. Yes. Hold on.
I just
Where,
get the
where do you get this -2 from? Where do you get? Oh, yeah. You're right. Correct. You're right.
Okay. I'll do the last part. No, the last part is just
Okay, last part you don't have to do is just the same thing, right?
yeah.
Yeah, because you integrate and you will get x, then you substitute 2 minus 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we are good for this. So basically, this whole section, right, was just to help you to get used to substituting the values in. That's about it. Okay. To understand the whole idea of definite integrals.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are moving on to something else. Something else.
Oh my god, you know what happened to me yesterday?
What happened?
Basically, I was building a house in Minecraft, and it was like a really nice house. Like me and my friends were building a house, and it was like super nice.
Okay.
And then I came up with this idea to have like a glass tunnel in the middle that runs through the middle of the house, and then we fill lava with the glass tunnel.
Wow.
And then my idiotic friend
Okay.
decided to like accidentally break the glass, and then the whole house caught fire, and 9 hours worth of Minecraft just gone down the drain.
Oh, that can happen. I didn't know Minecraft is so realistic.
Yeah, it is really. It's so realistic, and you can die from the lava. So like, I almost died.
So you when you build that thing, you can like accidentally break it.
Yeah. because like because the glass is really fragile.
Oh, I mean, I of course I know glass is fragile. But
Yeah, like even in the
I didn't
game,
know it's so
even in the
realistic.
game.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
I was
Wow.
so mad. Like I was literally gonna cry because we spent like 9 hours building this stupid house. It was
9
so
hours.
nice.
You guys were on that thing for 9 hours.
Yeah, we were on Skype and we were on Minecraft for like 9 hours.
9 hours.
Yep.
Like,
I can send you the photo of the house. It's so nice.
sure. So long.
Yep.
That's like 540 minutes, man.
Yeah. Look, and we had this glass. We had like a basement, and in the basement was a glass house.
Ooh. Wow, it looks very nice.
It's cool, right?
How do you
I
download
know.
this game?
You have to buy it on like the laptop.
Oh, you have to buy it. I see.
Yeah, or you can buy it on like App Store.
App Store. Or you mean on the Mac?
No, on like iPhone or iPad. But like I downloaded it on the PC, so it's like more fun.
How much is it?
The one on the App Store is like $10, but the one on the PC is $30.
Okay. So you can play together with your friends.
Yeah,
Oh, this is damn nice, eh?
I know. I was so sad. And they had like a
What is in the water? What is in the water? I see something in the water. What is that?
Yeah, it's a glass house.
Oh, it's a glass house inside. So
Yeah.
So from the
it took us. Yeah, and it took us really long to build the glass house in water because when you like go into water, you have to like there's like bubble like there's like a time limit you can be in the water for, so you can't like stay in the water for too long. Like,
but dude, why not you build it first, then you fill it with water?
No, it doesn't have water inside. It's empty.
No, I know. As in like you are building. Why not you? Okay, this whole patch of water was not there in the first place, right?
It was. We built the house by the sea.
Oh, okay. It's not that you can fill it up with water. Like, it's not like a swimming pool kind of thing.
No.
Oh, okay. But you can build your own swimming pool as well, right? I see something up there.
Yeah, that's a swimming pool on the top with like bamboo sticking out.
Holy shit. That's the dream house.
I know.
So nice.
I was so sad.
Okay, coming back to this. This is math craft.
Okay, cool.
Okay, let's build something here. Let's build a 7.
I wouldn't spend like 9 hours on math craft.
But you can build a 7 with a lot of ticks. You see? Can you see it?
Yep.
You can build a 7.
Yeah.
And it takes less than 9 hours to build it. Okay, show me this question.
What is it? So I do the DDX first and then find that?
Yes, of course. Because it's a hands question, right?
So basically it's just telling you to let y be e to the minus 2x.
You mean for the first part?
Yeah.
You mean for the first part here?
Yeah.
No, this is differentiation. It's a different thing.
So which one do I do?
You do differentiation. It's not integration.
Yeah, which part do you want me to do?
I want you to do the whole thing. You have to find this first, then hence find this. Hence means what? Hence means
you need the first part to find the second part.
Yes, correct.
So when you differentiate sine x, you get cos x.
You differentiate sine x, you get cos x. You are absolutely right. I have a feeling that they might extend a circuit breaker.
They are. They have to. All the countries are extending. I can't wait for them to extend it.
You can't wait.
Yeah,
Why?
I love it.
What? Why? See, this is why you got 9 for your IA.
What do you mean? How does it relate?
Because deep down, right, you already wanted this thing to happen. That's why you did the IA on that.
No.
See, because of
Actually,
the IA, right, tens of
no,
thousands
but
are
it's
dead.
bound to happen. But it's bound to happen because almost every 10 years there's going to be like a financial crisis. And this is worse than a financial crisis.
I agree. This is way worse. This is like the worst in history.
No, this is different. This is worse than the Great Depression.
Yes, correct. I read it somewhere.
Which was so bad.
Right now, I'm really having depression.
This is not going to go away for the next 18 months.
Okay.
Get ready for 18 months of no exercise.
I'm going to run later.
Wow, with a mask.
Without a mask, of course.
No, with a mask, or else you get fined.
No, when you're running, you don't have to wear. It's
Okay,
in the
but
news.
they said strenuous exercise, but running is not considered strenuous. Like probably like playing basketball or something is strenuous.
No, I'm going to run like really fast. So
Okay,
if the police
my
can't...
idea of running and your idea of running is kind of different.
Oh yeah, that's true. That is true. If the police can't catch up to me, means it's considered strenuous.
I'm dead. You might catch the coronavirus while outside.
But I'm going to run so fast that the virus can't catch me. I will overtake the virus.
We'll see.
Yeah. Hey yo.
I'm still thinking how to differentiate e to 2 minus 2x. Every time when there's an e, I don't know how to do it.
You see, you have been doing so much integration that you don't know how to do differentiation anymore.
Oh, it's 2e to it becomes 2e to the minus 2e.
There's 2 terms, so you got to do product rule.
Oh, product
remember?
rule. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I need my data booklet. I forgot the product rule. Okay.
You don't need the data booklet. I am your data booklet. I'm here. You got
okay, so it's e to the minus 2x times dv dx, which is times cos x.
You got to differentiate the first term first. You hold the second term, then plus you hold the first term. Okay.
Yeah.
You differentiate first term.
Yeah.
Multiply by whole second term plus whole first term.
Oh yeah. I just did it the other way around.
Yeah, it's the same.
Yeah.
And then differentiate second term. Understand? Go. You can do that.
But I have a problem.
What's the problem?
I don't know how to differentiate the first term. Is it 2? Is it 2? Does it become 2e to the minus 2x? 2e to the minus.
I feel
No,
like
minus 2e to the minus 2x.
minus 2e to the power of minus. Yes, correct.
Holy shit! I got it right. Yes.
Yes. I feel like a counselor sometimes.
Why?
Because my students always tell me they have a problem. Is that not funny?
No.
No?
I'm every teacher's nightmare.
What? I can't hear you. You're breaking up.
I'm every teacher's nightmare.
Oh no. No, definitely not. You're like
No, I actually am. Like, basically, I was so bad in school. I was so bad at school. Yeah, all the teachers they hate me.
no, I don't. I think it's always lovely to teach you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, what? No, I'm doing it the other. That's it.
And correct. So now you can go on to find the second part. So this is a kind of setup. They will usually ask you to differentiate the something, then they ask you to hence find some integral. This is a very common kind of question template.
Uh-huh.
So you got to really get used to it.
But how do I use the first part to do the second part?
Okay. You see, you got to multiply it in first. That's the clue.
Oh, this is basically the... Yeah. So what I did here is basically what's inside the bracket. What I did here is basically what's in here. Yeah.
Similar. Yes, you can say so. But you got to show the setter. You got to show the marker that it is similar. So it's either over here. You factorize out the e to the power of minus 2x to give you, or you leave it as it is over here, and then from here you have to expand it in to show that it gets here. You understand?
I'll factorize it.
You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
you have to show. Yes, you have to show the marker that it It is the same thing. You got to show them that.
But what's the point of differentiating it?
Because integration is what? Integration is reverse differentiation, right? You get what I mean? When you fx, when you differentiate a fx, okay, sorry. Like for instance, d dx cos x. You differentiate this, you get minus sine x, right? Correct? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then when you integrate minus sine x, you will get cosine x.
Yeah.
So over here, what you did was you are differentiating and you got this. So when you integrate this thing,
You get
you should
the
be
same
getting
stuff.
back this.
Ah.
Ah. Ah. Ah. Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So I factorize it, and then
Yeah. Mm.
that's the answer.
Okay, can you evaluate it?
As in solve it.
Yeah.
How?
What is sine pi over 2?
Oh, it's 90.
Yes.
So sine
Pi over 2
90
is 90. What is sine 90?
half.
No. What is sine 90? Draw the table. Trust me, just draw the table. It will get into you.
Remember the table. Even if you do it, I need to memorize it.
Yes.
Is that called the special angle table?
Yes.
Sine 90 is 1.
There you go.
No, but what is e to the minus? What is e to the minus 2 pi over 2? E to the minus 2 pi over 2, yeah.
Minus 2 pi over 2 is just minus pi, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it will just e to the power of minus pi.
Do I just leave in that form?
E to the power of minus pi is just e to the power of minus pi. There is nothing more to it. Is that a final answer?
Done.
Final answer?
The minus pi.
Correct, huh?
Yeah.
And the answer is wrong.
What? Wait, what is sine 0? Yeah, sine 0 is 0.
Everything is correct. It's just the last step that is wrong.
But e to the minus 2 times 0 is e. Wait, e to the minus...
I'll tell you why it's wrong. Because you
zero
forgot to add in something at the end.
plus c.
No, this is definite integrals. Remember I told you? There should not be plus c.
Oh, the unit square.
Yes. Trust me, I can give you the tick right here, but your teacher will give you the big fat cross.
Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Remember, okay? I mean, I don't want you to come back and tell me that, hey, Kenny, I got to retake my IB again.
No, don't.
I tell you, if you are to retake the IB next year, you are in deep trouble.
I'm not retaking it. I'm getting at least a 6 for math.
Fingers crossed.
I'm not getting it. Yeah, I'm getting at least a 6 for math.
Yes.
There's no way. Because I don't have to do Chinese now. Because I don't have to do the exam. Because I'm definitely getting a 7 for Chinese.
Wow.
Yeah, because it was just based on oral. And I think my oral was quite good because we could just memorize things.
Okay. Hey, do you have your GDC with you?
I need to find it somewhere.
Okay, the next lesson, can you have your GDC with you?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay.
I have it. What are we doing in the next lesson?
No, we are doing it now.
Now?
We have 5 more minutes. Don't worry, you can Minecraft later. We math craft now. Okay, now we have reached the other chapter, okay? The other chapter is called Applications of Integration.
Okay.
Okay? Hello?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, let's look at part G. Okay? For part G, we are required to find the area under the graph. Okay, the question is not stated there, but we are supposed to find the area that is bounded by the graph, which is y equals to 1 over x, the x-axis, y equals 1, and x equals to 4. So if you have your GDC, can you plot the graph of y equals to 1 over x? Are you plotting it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just like the top and yeah.
Okay. So we have to find the area that is bounded by the graph, the x-axis, x equals 1 and x equals to 4. Okay, so we have to mark these things out. So this is obviously the graph, right? Okay, so we are not looking at the graph that is on the left of the y-axis because it has got nothing to do with this question. Okay, because x equals to 1 will be probably somewhere here, and x equals to 4 will be somewhere here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and the x-axis is somewhere here.
So it's positive.
Yeah, correct. So the area that we want to find would be this.
Yeah. This is always going to be in the GDC paper, right?
May or may not. Depends on the kind of graph. If the graph is easy to sketch, it will not be. Like for example, for 1 over fx. For 1 over fx is a known graph. You should know that 1 over fx should be like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to know it. So this may not be in a GDC paper. If this is a GDC paper, it will be redundant to ask you to find the integration already. You can just use your calculator to find it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So over here we have to find. Firstly, is to sketch the graph. Secondly, is to know the shaded area. Okay, so now we know the shaded area. We have to integrate from 1 to 4 for 1 over x. Okay, can you show me the full presentation for it? So you have to start with area of shaded area. Okay, never mind. Let me do it. I'll show you for this question first. So the shaded area will be equals to integrate 1 over x from 1 to 4 dx, right? So from here, integrate 1 over x, what will I get?
X to minus 1.
Do you still remember? Integrate 1 over x, what do I get?
Oh, you get... No, but can you not change it to index form?
What do you differentiate to get 1 over x? I understand that the inclination to change to index form is very strong. I understand, but this is 1 over x. If it's 1 over x squared, I will not hold you back from changing to index form. But this is 1 over x. It's a very specific case. There is this particular thing, when you differentiate, you will get you 1 over x. So when you integrate, you should go back to that particular thing. Do you remember?
When you differentiate something, you get 1 over x. Oh, ln x. Yeah.
Remember? So when you differentiate 1 over x, okay? When you integrate 1 over x, you're going to get back to ln x.
Yeah.
So you're going to get ln x, square bracket, 1, 4. So you have ln 4 minus ln 1. Okay, what is ln 1? Do you know what's ln 1?
0.
Yes, ln 1 is 0. So you left with ln 4 unit square. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, if you understood, right? Can you show me part I? Then we will call it a day. Sorry, I didn't mean to hold you back. I mean, like, you have some place to go?
No.
Exactly. Maybe we have to rush off to your Minecraft world.
But I can't write. It's not allowing me to write. I'm not even joking.
What do you mean?
It's not working.
What do you mean by that?
Like, it's not, I can't write with the pencil. It's not working.
Okay.
It's literally not working.
Okay, I believe you.
No, like, I'm serious.
No, I said I believe you. Why are you skeptical? And I said I believe you. You see? Look what?
Okay, no, it works now. It works now.
Oh, it works now. Okay. I see.
Okay.
What a beautiful lie.
I was serious. It didn't work.
Oh my god, a Singaporean couple was arrested during a raid, and drugs such as ecstasy and ice was worth 13,000 were seized.
Nice.
Nice.
Drugs are good for you. I'm joking.
Yeah, I'm going to upload this on YouTube, man.
Oh shit.
And to our viewers, this is not representative. Whatever Kylene has mentioned is not representative of me. So please find her.
I don't think we should upload this on YouTube.
Why?
It's bad.
It's okay. I have other SL students who are asking me, hey, why don't you create more SL videos?
Do they watch my videos?
Yeah, your videos.
Why?
Because I have students from SGI International, like international students. They were like,
What
I should,
year?
like, yeah, they were like, can you create more?
In my year? Because I know people in my year. In SGI.
Yeah, SGI, yeah, your year, correct.
Oh my god, my friends, my best friend's literally in SGII.
Oh, really?
Yeah. In my year, obviously. Yeah.
Yeah, your year. She's taking IB this year.
What's her name?
I text you later. I don't want to mention here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh yeah, she's gonna watch the video.
Yeah. Can you plot the graph first so you have an idea of how it looks like?
On the GDC.
Yeah, of
right?
course. Of course.
So I don't know how to plot this.
Yeah. You got to plot it.
It's not giving me like something right. It's really
Okay, the whole purpose of plotting the graph is to understand whether the graph is above the x-axis or not. Because I believe you, just now when you told me that, oh, it's positive, the area is positive, because you probably remember that if the area is above the x-axis, the area will be positive, the answer will be positive. If it's below the x-axis, it will be negative. Remember that, right? Do you know that?
wait, no.
Okay, so for instance,
I'm trying to graph it.
Okay, sure. Sorry.
It's not. Okay, what window should I put?
What do you mean? What window you should put?
Like the zoom is wrong. Let me just reset this calculator. It's kind of weird. It's like this shape.
Supposed to be weird. It's supposed to be weird.
It's like that.
Sure. Okay. So that is all right. Is that all that you have?
Yeah.
Okay, since this is what you got, so, and this point is at the origin, is it?
No, it's not. It's like below. It's cutting the x-axis. It's like here.
So it is cutting it's not cutting the origin, right?
Nope.
Okay, so we know that it cuts somewhere here. Okay, it cuts somewhere here. Sorry, I should use a brighter color. Somewhere here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the step one is to sketch the graph. Step two, identify shaded area. Okay, step two is identify the shaded area. So where's the shaded area here? As in shaded area meaning the area that is bounded.
Basically, it's the x-axis and 4.
Okay, can you sketch for me?
So like here.
Very good. Yes, very good. So now you know that this whole part is above the x-axis. If it's above the x-axis, the area will be positive. Okay. Why? What do I mean by that? Because there will be some graphs that are like that. Sorry. So they want to find from A to D. So you have B, you have C. Okay. The area here is positive. The area here is negative. The area here is positive. So if you were to integrate from A to B, fx, you will get a positive answer. If you integrate from B to C, fx, you will get a negative answer because it's below the x-axis. If you integrate from C to D, fx, you will get a positive answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you want to find graphs, so this is the whole reason of sketching the graph. Because if you were to integrate straight up front from A to D, we will be calculating an area that is smaller than the actual area because this part will be minus off. This part will be minus off. If we integrate from A to D straight away, what we should be doing is to integrate it separately like that. Because we know that this part will be negative, we have to modulus it to make it positive. So after we make it positive, then we can add this together, then we can get the full accurate shaded area. Understand what I'm trying to say?
But how does it relate to this question? Because this question is just positive.
Okay, I understand. Correct. This doesn't relate to this question, but in future, the reason why I'm trying to substantiate the point of sketching the graph, because by right there's no need to sketch the graph, right? You could have just integrate just from this question. I can integrate 2 minus 1 over square root x from whichever point to 4, right? I could have just done that, but I didn't. Why? Because I want to identify whether are there any parts that are below the x-axis. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So from here, can you just show me very quickly how to find the area of the shaded area? Eventually, you will see graphs like that. There are some of the areas are below the x-axis.
But when I give the answer, I should even if it's if it's below the x-axis, I should change it to positive so that I can find the area.
Yes. If it's negative, you have to change it to positive so that you can find the actual area.
Okay.
Yeah.
But for this.
But for this, you don't have to. For this, the whole shaded area is above, right? So you just have to.
But I just put it in the calculator.
You can, but what if it's not a GDC question?
So what should I do?
Just integrate it.
Okay. Oh, well, I need to split it first.
Yeah, actually for this one, you can
I can just do it together.
you can do it together for this one. After a while, you'll be able to gauge when you can do it together and when you can't. Do you integrate that quick? X to the power minus half. Yes. So actually, as you can see, right, this is the whole point of doing it together, because this step is already done, but this step is not.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. So it's like you got to keep copying this step, which is a hindrance.
Yeah.
That's why for me, by doing it separately is always a lot neater and a lot slicker. Like the marker will be easier. We'll find it easier to give you marks.
Okay.
Yeah. And I have seen a lot of students where in the midst of copying the answer from one step to another, they miss out some stuff. It was meant to be a correct answer to begin with, but they messed up along the way as they copy these 2x, this thing. Yeah. Okay, so from here, you're just substituting in. Okay? That's about it. You don't have to show me the answer. You don't have to evaluate. Because over here, any mistake would have been a careless mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah. As long as you get the concept right. The whole step 1, sketch the graph. Step 2, identify shaded area. Okay. Oh, wait. Sorry, Kalin. It's not 0. What? My bad. Because it doesn't start from 0, right? It starts from this point, right? What is this point? You got to go and find the X-intercept.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. That's the whole point of sketching the graph also.
But so how do I do that? Second calc 0.
You have to find 0. Yeah.
No, wait, no. Oh, I don't know how to use this calculator.
You have to go to cal. Then after that, from there, you should be able to find like your roots or 0 or X-intercept or something like that.
It gave me a weird answer.
There should be a lower bound or lower. You should be able to find a range. You should need to adjust the calculator to find it.
Wait, I got a different graph now after I did it the second time.
How is that possible?
It goes down.
This part goes down?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter whether it goes down or not. This is the part that we want. We just need to find what is this point over here.
Okay. X is 0.25.
It's what?
0.25, 0.25.
0.25.
Yeah.
Okay, then we can go with it. Yeah, correct. 0.25. You're right. Okay. That's all for today.
Okay.
So every Wednesday, 10 o'clock?
Yes.
Sure. Happy Minecrafting.
You know the last video, the last lesson. Did you upload the video?
Not yet, not yet. I
Okay.
haven't been able to upload 1 week worth of videos. I will upload and then I will send you the link.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay?
Okay. Yep.
And bye-bye.
Right. Thanks.
Welcome.